Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox my new gadget device, which is iPhone 13 Pro, and this is the Alpine green color. Well, I ordered this from Apple Online India, and with the trading of my iPhone 11, the trading process was smooth, and the expected delivery was on 1st of April, but just because this is Apple and with Blue Dart, the courier was delivered today, which is before expected date of delivery, and I was very happy. So without any further ado, let's open it. So this was the way it came from Blue Dart. I have already opened it. This is the back side. This is the front side, which has some EMI details and my order details along with my address. So after opening, there it is, the beautiful green, which is called the Alpine green by Apple, and this is the 13 Pro model, which was recently launched. See the packaging, this is really thin, I must say, comparatively what I used to. The last time I got Apple was iPhone 11, and that time the box was pretty thick, around this much. This is lean and smooth. So this is the color on the front, iPhone 13 Pro, because it has 3 cameras along with LiDAR scanner. The green is so beautiful. On the left hand side, we see some details like the import and manufactured. Let me see when this was manufactured. Oh wow, March, if you can see it, here it is, March 2022. This is really important for me. And on the right hand side, there is nothing, just the box is black and iPhone is written in green, the Alpine green. And on the back I have some information again, my IMEI numbers and all those stuff. And here it is written Apple iPhone 13 Pro, designed in California, assembled in China. So now let's unwrap this. We have 2 of such, one is on the top and one is in the bottom. Oh, I am slipping this. Yeah, now I think it will open. Wow, what a color, what a color. Oh man, this is worthy, at least for the color. This is my first upgrade to a pro level of iPhone. Previously I used to have iPhone 11 only, and I love this design. You see the square or rectangular, whatever you call it. This resembles from very old Apple iPhone AC or the iPhone 4, that particular design, and it is nice. I love it more than the circular ones, which was from iPhone 6 to iPhone 11, I believe. I really love the design, the edges. Hope this GoPro can justify the color, what I am seeing. Of the color. So, and it's pretty nice, pretty light for me. I love the size also. This is the perfect size, I believe, for me at least. And the only difference between the Max and the Pro, I think that is the screen size. I think most of the features are almost same because I have compared them. I don't know if I am missing anything. Please comment the difference between Max and the Pro. Why I chosen the Pro over normal iPhone 13? It is only because the extra lens, the telephoto lens, and the Pro has the feature called RAW. You can shoot RAW in just photography, as well as you can shoot RAW for their videos also, which is called as ProRes. Now enough on this, let's see what's inside. I get a USB-C to USB Lightning. I really wish that Apple have converted totally to USB-C both end, but they are still giving Lightning cable. They don't provide adapter because for me I don't need it, because I already have Series 7 which comes with USB-C, and I have purchased a 20-watt adapter for that, and that's all, nothing else. Here we see SIM ejector tools and some leaflets, and one and only the Apple sticker. Well, let's keep inside. Let's turn on the phone now. Hello, hello, hello. Swipe up. English. Country. India. Quick start. Setup manually. Preferred language is continue. It's my Wi-Fi. And I have joined. I have traded in my iPhone, so let's see what options I get for setting it up. And when it asks for me to sign in, so this is data and privacy. I have to accept. There is no other option. Face ID, yes, I want. Let me set up the Face ID. Oh wow, this Pro asks me use Face ID with mask. This is interesting. Wow. So let me try it. So after Face ID, it asks for the passcode setup. And one more thing, you saw just now that it asks for me to set up Face ID with a mask. It also does a third scan, which I'm seeing new this time, and it asks me in the third scan is to remove my glass because I wear a glass. And this passcode, where it asks for 6 digit, you can customize it to 4 digit. Next, see what it does. I do not have put my SIM, so that is why it is blank. So here it